Many people ask me, is it possible to train your brain to help you make more money? The answer is a resounding yes. Today I'm going to share a personal journey of how I began to train my own brain to achieve financial success. It's a story filled with valuable lessons, scientific insights, and actionable steps that you can start applying right now. So, let's dive in. Years ago, my mentor, a highly successful businessman, gave me some life-changing advice. He told me that the first step to achieving any goal is having absolute clarity on what that goal is. Let's start by discussing how you can set your financial goals and create a clear vision for your future. Step 1. Clarity of your financial goals. Imagine you have a financial goal of earning $100,000 a year. That's approximately $8,500 a month, or roughly $2,150 every week. If you're not currently earning that amount, don't worry. Here's where the transformation begins. Get crystal clear on the exact amount you want to earn. Whether it's per week, per month, or per year, clarity is key. Write down your goal and be specific. Step 2. Crafting your affirmation. Once you have clarity, the next step is to create a simple yet powerful affirmation. For example, I am so happy and grateful that I am now earning $10,000 a month. This affirmation is more than just words. It's a declaration of your intent and a trigger for your subconscious mind. Now that you have your affirmation, let's delve deeper into how to use it effectively to rewire your brain for success. First, morning and night rituals. Every morning and every night, read your affirmation 5 to 10 times. As you do, close your eyes and mentally rehearse receiving that money. Visualize a check, cash, or deposit into your bank account. Picture the joy and satisfaction of consistently having $10,000 a month flowing into your account. This mental rehearsal is crucial as it primes your brain to perceive this as your reality. Second, visualize the impact. While visualizing, also consider the profound impact this income will have on your life and the lives of those around you. Envision how it will transform your family's lifestyle, help your friends, benefit your community, and support the charities you care about. Get deeply immersed in this mental movie, complete with emotions, as if you were a Hollywood actor experiencing it in real time. Let's explore how these practices actually work to activate the most powerful parts of your brain. First, by activating the genius CEO within. By reading your affirmation and vividly visualizing the money and its impact, you are engaging your brain's left prefrontal cortex, the genius CEO part of your brain. This region is responsible for problem solving and strategic planning. When you consistently visualize your goals, you're essentially training your brain to find ways to make them happen. Second, by using the science of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. When you repeatedly visualize your goals and affirm them, you are strengthening the neural pathways associated with achieving those goals. This makes your brain more adept at recognizing and seizing opportunities that align with your financial aspirations, and absolutely do not forget that consistent practice is the key. This practice should be a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Every morning upon waking and every night before bed, commit to this mental rehearsal. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset and a heightened awareness of opportunities around you. To solidify these practices, let's add another powerful tool to your arsenal: vision boards. Create a vision board, either digitally or physically. Fill it with images that represent the lifestyle earning $10,000 a month would provide. What kind of car would you drive? Where would you vacation? What kind of home would you live in? Which charities would you support? Seeing these images daily will reinforce your goals and keep you motivated. Place your vision board in a location where you will see it frequently, your office, bedroom, or even as the wallpaper on your phone or computer. Each time you look at it, take a moment to connect with the feelings and the reality of achieving those goals. This constant visual reinforcement helps embed these goals deeper into your subconscious mind. Let's explore some additional techniques that can help further prime your brain for financial success. A powerful technique is meditation. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine can significantly enhance your mental clarity and focus. Spend at least 10-15 minutes each day in a quiet space, focusing on your breath and visualizing your financial goals. Meditation helps reduce stress, increases creativity, and enhances your ability to concentrate on your objectives. Affirmation recording would be another advisable technique to train brain for financial success. Consider recording your affirmations and playing them back to yourself. Hearing your own voice repeating these powerful statements can reinforce their impact. Play these recordings during your commute, workout, or even as you fall asleep. This continuous auditory reinforcement helps in solidifying your goals in your subconscious mind. Another brain-training method for financial gain is journaling. Start a journal specifically dedicated to your financial goals. Each day, write about your progress, your visualizations, and any actions you took toward your goals. Reflect on any challenges you faced and how you overcame them. This practice not only keeps you accountable, but also provides a tangible record of your journey. Visualization and affirmations are powerful, but they must be paired with action to yield results. Let's talk about how to translate your mental work into tangible outcomes. To achieve this goal, we need to have a daily action plan. Every day, ask yourself, what can I do today to make this income a reality? Take 1 or 2 concrete action steps towards your goal. Whether it's networking, learning a new skill, or working on a project, these daily actions, combined with mental rehearsals and affirmations, will bring you closer to your financial dreams. Setting up a goal accountability system is a powerful strategy to enhance your commitment to achieving your financial goals. This system involves regularly checking in with a friend, colleague, or mentor who is aware of your objectives and can provide support, encouragement, and constructive feedback. Here's how you can implement and benefit from an effective goal accountability system. Select a partner who is either knowledgeable in financial matters or someone who is genuinely interested in your success. This person should be reliable, trustworthy, and comfortable with giving you honest feedback. It could be a mentor who has achieved similar goals, a peer with similar aspirations, or even a professional coach. Establish a regular schedule for your check-ins, such as weekly or bi-weekly. These meetings can be in person, over the phone, or through video calls, depending on geographic constraints and personal preferences. The key is consistency. Having regular intervals ensures that you remain focused and on track. During each session, discuss what you have accomplished since the last meeting, the challenges you faced, and the steps you plan to take next. Your accountability partner can offer advice on overcoming obstacles, provide resources, and help refine your strategies. They should also celebrate your successes with you, which can boost your motivation. If possible, choose an accountability partner who also has personal or professional goals they are working towards. This mutual relationship can enhance the commitment on both sides. You can offer each other reciprocal support, making the process a cooperative and beneficial experience. Leverage tools and apps designed for goal tracking and project management. These can help you both keep a detailed log of your progress and remind you of upcoming check-ins. Apps like Trello, Asana, or even simple spreadsheets can be useful to visualize your progress and setbacks more clearly. Use the feedback from these sessions to make necessary adjustments to your strategies. An outside perspective can often identify blind spots or opportunities you might miss when working alone. The feedback mechanism is crucial for learning and growth, ensuring that you refine your approach based on real-world experiences and advice. The relationship with your accountability partner should be supportive and empathetic. While the primary focus is on achieving goals, it's important that this partnership also provides emotional support. Financial journeys can be stressful and challenging, and having someone who understands and supports you can make a significant difference. By setting up an accountability system, you are not just committing to your goals on a personal level, but are also engaging with a community, however small, that supports your financial journey. This added layer of commitment significantly increases your chances of success and makes the journey less daunting and more structured. Seek out mentors and resources that can provide guidance and support. Learning from those who have already achieved what you aspire to can fast-track your success. Attend seminars, read books, and engage with communities that foster financial growth and development. In this journey, the role of gratitude should not be neglected. Gratitude is a powerful force that can attract more abundance into your life. Each day, take a moment to express gratitude for what you have and for the progress you are making. This positive mindset not only boosts your motivation, but also aligns you with the energy of abundance. To wrap things up, keep in mind that training your brain for financial success is not just about wishful thinking. It's about setting clear goals, consistently affirming and visualizing those goals, and taking actionable steps towards them. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you'll not only rewire your brain for success, but also create a roadmap to achieve your financial dreams. So start today. Define your goals, create your affirmations, visualize your success, and take daily actions. Be aware that your brain is a powerful tool. Train it wisely, and it will lead you to financial freedom. Thank you for joining me on this journey to train your brain for financial success. Remember, the power to change your life starts with a single thought, a clear vision, and consistent action. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your own goals and progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and support you on your journey. Let's create the life we dream of, one step at a time. See you in the next video.